guys, welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today we're going to be looking at gold and we're going to be looking at NASDAQ. But before I start, I just wanted to mention that in the description I've posted a couple of links. The one is to my Telegram channel. Join that channel, guys, throughout the week and so forth. Every now and then I send little screenshots and little analysis just to say, there's opportunities here and there. So join the Telegram channel. It's free. I mean, you go then you don't miss out on anything. I've also posted, there's one link to my broker that I trade through. And these guys, especially with gold and indices like NASDAQ and USD, I mean, these guys are excellent spread wise and margin wise and all that. So guys, go try them out and yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay, let's start off gold. Now, just before we carry on with gold, another thing I want to mention is, guys, the analysis that I give out, or the breakdowns, is obviously not set in stone. I mean, nobody is perfect. I mean, I cannot predict the future. All I'm doing here is I am showing you guys what I see the market is doing and possibilities that is in the market. I get them wrong. Everybody gets them wrong. But I mean, it's just another viewpoint to it. I mean, you guys might have your own analysis. And when you watch my analysis, I mean, it might change your mind or not, but it's always good to have a second opinion, or another set of eyes on the market. That's the way I see it. So, but let's carry on with gold. Now, on a monthly time frame, we can see that gold is, I would almost say, it made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, coming up to make another higher high. Now, if we can see on the top where it started moving down from the top to the bottom, we draw the Fibonacci. We can see that gold have been retracing nicely to the 61% and between the 50 and 61% Fibonacci retracement. Now, again, we're taking it from this higher high. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm speaking incorrectly. It's from the higher high to the higher low, for lower low, higher low, lower low. Sorry, guys. Now we're taking it from the higher low to the lower low, and we can see that gold is coming up and making a nice retracement to again to this area over here before I see gold maybe making its way down even more to make another lower low. That is on the monthly time frame. So if we have to drill down to the daily time frame, here we can see, let me just expand it a little bit. Now over here, I just wanted to draw a nice trend line for you guys. All the way up here. There. So there we can see the touching of the trend line. And again, for trend lines to be very strong, you need a couple of touches. So we can see here, first touch, or well, the start of the trend line, second touch. And now what we need to do is wait and see what it does in this touch over here. And once it bounces off here, we know it's a very, very strong, very, very strong trend line. So basically, the way I see it, there's a couple of there's a couple of areas here I just wanted to point out. Currently, gold there's a nice area over here. So my saying is, and I just wanted to make another, let's draw it over here. It's almost like in I would almost say a consolidation phase. So we can see that gold is over here now. So what I'm seeing is gold still might have to come up slightly and even make a little false breakout on this trend line over there. So basically gold is going to come up, make a nice daily wick, before gold starts moving down. Now that is the way I see what's going to happen. So once gold comes into this area here next week, I'll be looking at price action, candle formations, and I'll be ready for a nice sell to the downside to go and make that lower low on the monthly. Okay, so let's move on to NASDAQ. Now NASDAQ, on my previous analysis on NASDAQ, just wanted to make it small, I drew these nice trend lines, or the zone, and again, I've got this Telegram channel. On the Telegram channel, NASDAQ was on this area, and I posted a little screenshot saying that, you know, this is a nice area for a nice buy. Boom, started heading up, because we can see how NASDAQ have been respecting this trend line. As you can see, it's been moving, price have been moving in that channel basically. So let me just expand it. We'll make it a bit bigger so we can see clearer. Okay, so you can see this nice zone support, resistant area. This is a nice area of support. It bounced a bit, broke through, came back. It broke through that support and resistant area. And basically, before we say, I just wanted to draw another one over here so we can see there's a nice area over there. This is all an analysis I did before. So we're looking at those zones. So basically, we can see that we have to pull out the Fibonacci. We can see that NASDAQ went from the high to the low, and NASDAQ is nice and slowly coming back. And in this area over here, I'm actually going to be looking at, for scalping purposes, because I like scalping NAS a little bit, but in this area I'll be looking at a nice sell to the downside, you know, so it's going to come and retest this zone over here before it carries on up to that resistance zone. So basically next week NASDAQ might open up with on a lower time frames, might open up with a nice gap to the upside, but definitely in this area over here, NASDAQ is going to start selling and going to come down into the 13,250s, 13,200s, and then NAS is going to start shooting up again. So that is my analysis, guys. I hope you like these videos. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you guys can get notified when I post more videos. And I hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend. Let's hope for a nice profit next week. So happy trading, guys.